Guess where are we going now?
It's gonna go nowhere. We'll be in the kitchen since we can't travel anywhere.
Yeah, since we can't travel anywhere, we'll be traveling to your heart through our wonderful cooking experiences.
Yeah, for coming days, we'll be coming up with more videos of our cooking skills.
Yes, and a lot of our friends and family members have been asking us for our recipes because we are posting a lot of photos in our social media. So we'll be making our favorite
steamed momo
today. Yes.
So please give a try and let us know how it is.
If you like it, please do comment, and if you want to see something else from us, also comment.
Yep. So let's prepare here.
Yeah.
First we're gonna make the dough. To make the dough you need 200 grams of maida and a half teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of oil and a cup of water. So let's start preparing the dough. Add all flour in a bowl. After that add salt. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Then mix it well. You can add a little bit of water. Don't add all the water. Add a bit more water. We have to do step by step. So dough is almost ready. Once it's ready, just have to add a bit of oil, like very little. I could say a drop. Now I will keep the dough aside for 10 minutes. Let's see what Nisha is preparing.
To make the stuffing, you need 200 grams of chicken. You need 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, and some chopped vegetables. We need some spring onion chopped, 3-4 chopped green chilies, and 3-4 cloves of garlic chopped, and a small onion chopped. We need the chicken to be steamed, so we like it in small pieces. So we keep this 200 grams of chicken in the chopper and we'll mince it like very small pieces. Let's see. Once the chicken is minced, it will look like this, very smooth and nice. And then I'll start adding my chopped ingredients, the chopped onions, chopped spring onions, garlics, and also the chopped chilies. After that, I'll add a little bit of oil to it. I'll add the black pepper. I'll add the soy sauce and a little bit of salt according to your taste, because soy sauce already have the flavor of salt. Once you mix it very well, you have to keep it for 15 minutes to marinate it.
I'm only taking very small pieces and rolling into a shape of strawberry, I would say. To flatten the dough, Nisha gave me a small tip. Without using any flour, you just have to take this bag and cut it like this. Yeah, the easy way is just to do this way. So you have to paste with a bit of water. Let's add some filling. And next we are gonna fold. So I'll fold from the sideways like this. Small one.
So our momos are done, ready to be steamed. So I put some oil on the steamer already so the momos doesn't get stuck. And you can just nicely place one by one. And then you can cover it since we have the filling and everything will be nicely done.
To make the sauce chutney, you need 2 medium size of tomato, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 green chilies, and some Kashmiri red chili powder, and some salt, soy sauce, and vinegar. Now I'm going to cut the tomato into 4 pieces. Like this. And after this I'll be microwaving it. If you don't have a microwave, you can use a cooker. So I'm gonna keep it for 2 minutes to peel off the skin from the tomato. It's done now, so let's check. You can keep it aside for cooling it off, and after that you can peel off the skin. After that you can put all the garlics, green chilies, and red chili, salt, and a teaspoon of vinegar, and a teaspoon of soy sauce, and blend it very well. Chutney is ready.
Yummy! We have to steam the momos for 15 minutes. It's 15 minutes is done. Let's see. If the momos look transparent, that means it's done, and it's looking transparent, so we'll take it out now. Momo you have to serve very hot right from the steamer. So our chutney is ready and our momos are ready. This is our final presentation. Let's enjoy.